Friends, today we're going to see how to make perfect sushi rice. It's a Japanese rice. It should be short grain or medium grain. It's sticky and give really nice flavor to any ingredient you add it to. You can make this rice with for the sushi roll or for the teriyaki chicken bowl, or you can make a fried rice. So today I have this brand, Sushi brand, and all I use about 1.5 cup rice and 2 cup water plus 2 tablespoon water. Friends, in the earlier I already washed the rice and soak about 10 minutes. Now I'm adding 2 cup water plus 2 tablespoon water. So friend, the 2 tablespoon water is important. Even you have a double amount the water level or rice, you still need to add 2 tablespoon water for the steaming process. So now I just drain the water and get all the rice, and I'm going to add the rice cooker. I tried many times the cooking variation and the cooking method. I find out this is the perfect rice for the sushi, or if you make the fried rice, it's really come in the single grain. I let it cook, friends. Now it's already ready. Start boiling, all the water being absorbed. That's it, friend. The rice is ready. You always can use this rice especially for sushi roll, teriyaki chicken bowl, or any your favorite dish. Please like, comment, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell button. You have a wonderful day, guys. Thank you.